Hello my friends. Today explained about rectangle tools and rotate tools. Before last week lesson explained pen tools and text tools. This is rectangle tools. That rectangle tools have different sub-tools, such as rounded rectangle tools, ellipse tools, polygon tools, star tools, flare tools. Now we can see how to draw different shape using that tools. After select polygon and star tools, we can select number of base in polygon or star shape with changing points of that box just like. We can draw shape using this tools just like. This is rotate tool and reflected tools. Using that rotate tools we can draw object around in a point or other object just like. In this time change position of object. For it, firstly select the object. After select rotate tools and hold pressings Alt key and click we need point. After that we can given position angle of our object. In this time draw a copy of object in around the point of object. For it, firstly select the object. After select rotate tools and hold pressings Alt key and click we need point, then we can given position angle of our object and then click copy just like. Then we can press a Control key plus D in getting copy just like. In this time draw a copy of object using reflected tools. For it, firstly select the object. After select reflected tools and hold pressings Alt key and click we need point. Then we can give reflected method of our object, click copy just like. Today lesson is over. Next Sunday we'll given another specials tools of Adobe Illustrator. Thank you watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching my video. If you learn something of watching my video, please like video and subscribe my channel.